Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick update on the bumper smart alarm for cars. Now, I already did a full review on this. I'll throw the link for that up in the description. The campaign went live today. People had a lot of questions, so I'm going to try to answer some of them right now. First question, how does this work? Check this out.
Well, by now you've seen the tennis ball video, but you might be wondering, how does Bmmpr work? Well, let's find out.
I throw tennis balls at cars because of Bmmpr.
Now, it's important to know that regardless of tennis ball, tow truck, car impact, break-in, or fat cat, all of these affect Bmmpr in the exact same way. When something makes contact with your car, the vibrations from the impact are transferred throughout the entire body down to our sensor, which installs underneath your steering wheel. A very sensitive accelerometer inside generates information about the impact, and via Bmpr's cellular connection sends it up into the cloud, so it can reach your cell phone anywhere in the world. And yes, every impact works the same way, regardless of direction or surface. All this happens in just a few seconds.
Bmmpr.
Alright, so that answers that question. Next, the price. Now remember I told y'all it was $160. You got to keep in mind, that's the Indiegogo early bird special. Now, once this hits the retail market, the price is going to jump up to $250. So if you want it cheaper, you better jump in right now. Here's the campaign page. You got 18 units left for $160. Now the dash cam, that's going to run you $80. Then after that, the next pledge is $170. You got 50 units. And the next pledge after that is $190, another 50 units. All right, so now I'm going to answer some questions from the comment section of the first video. First question, what about the sensitivity? Will bird shit make you get alerts? And the answer is no. Now, if you take it over to the app, you got 3 different levels of sensitivity. You got high, medium, and low. If you put it on low, the wind, the rain, bird shit, people's loud exhaust, people driving by with stereos bumping, they're not going to give you alerts. Next question, tell us more about the dash cam. Well, the dash cam is sold separately. It's going to run you $80. It's made by Orky. It's a variant of the DR-01. Next question. Now, does Bmmpr work with a SIM or is it Bluetooth? Well, Bmmpr uses cellular connectivity. You get 3 years free, and after the 3rd year, it's $20 a year. Next question. Does the Bmmpr use its own sensors or does it use the sensors that's on your car? Well, once you plug this into your OBD, it only draws power from the car. It has its own sensors built in. Next question. Will the Bmmpr work on my 97 Civic, or my 97 Accord, my 97 Camry, my 97 Pathfinder? The bottom line is, this will work on any car that's after 1996. All of them have the same OBD port. Next question. If you leave this plugged in, is it going to drain your car's battery? And the answer is no. Now, this uses very little power. You would have to leave this plugged in and not drive your car for about 4 months to even start worrying about that. Next question. When you plug this in, is this going to interfere with your car's electronics? And the answer is no. It's only drawing power from the car. So if you got a tune, don't worry about that. All right, for the last question, what about the door handles, the hood of the car, the roof of the car, the wheels, the tires? You only tested the windows with a tennis ball. All right, so let's take it to the streets. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, there's a couple of things that I want to test out directly from the comment section of the last video. Now, I'm not going to waste your time doing the tennis ball test. You already seen that. But basically, we'll check the door handles, the body of the car, the wheels and the tires, the trunk, and we'll lean against it and see if that sets it off. All right, here we go. First, let's check the door handles. Your M5 has been bumped. Now let's try the wheels. There's your notification. Now let's try the trunk. Here's your notification. All right, let's try a door panel. There's your notification. All right, so let's try the front bumper. Here's your notification. Let's try the windshield. Here's your notification. Now let's check the top of the car. Here's your notification. Now for the last test, let's try leaning against the car. There's your notification. All right, so you've seen it for yourself. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major, major, major go. Your whole car is fully protected. All right, so you've seen it for yourself. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major, major, major go. If you like this, I advise you to jump on it right now because you can get the bumper and the camera for $240. Now, once it comes out on retail, you're looking at $250 for just the bumper. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize. All right, y'all, empty parking lot. You know I gotta do it.